I read an article a while ago that talked about the outcome being the core of a live event, and that an event should be about anticipation, curiosity, and continued connections. So it's not just the day that inspires alone, it's the full experience. Now, it was based on a speech by Professor Joe Goldblatt, who actually holds the world's only professorial chair in planned event studies. So he clearly knows his stuff. And he's also the executive director of the International Centre for the Study of Planned Events at Queen Margaret University in Edinburgh. And it fascinated me because an event is not just a single moment, is it? It's just, like a touch point on a customer journey. In marketing and in user expense design, the aim is always considered that it's about creating a seamless and delightful experience at every touch point for the customer. And in events, it shouldn't be any different. Now, I have talked about this before. I've talked about what I like to say the AX, the attendee experience. An event's impact starts before it happens. And then through the advertising and the PR and the marketing messages, you get a sort of anticipation that's generated amongst the audience, a sense of FOMO if they don't come. And this pre-event phase is going to set the stage for what is to come. It's supposed to be building excitement and curiosity. And then when the big day finally arrives, the experience reaches its peak. And then the event becomes like this kind of condensed, intense blend of emotions and feelings. And it is supposed to leave this lasting impression on the attendees. And then, of course, it shouldn't end there. The influence of the event is going to carry forward. It's going to extend beyond the immediate conclusion. There's going to be things like post-event networking, online media, all these kind of things that will play a role in keeping a momentum going and making sure of continued connections with the audience of people that came to the event. Now, this comprehensive approach to event planning is just about making sure that attendees embark on a journey, taking them from anticipation to curiosity and then a lasting feeling, sense of connection. And if we focus on the entire experience, it means that the event organizer is leaving a really profound positive impact on the clients, on the leads, on the attendees. So every touch point has counted. And I love this idea. So I beg of everybody, let us strive for this full Monty, as I call it, because it isn't just about the big day. It's about creating a really unforgettable experience to linger in the hearts and minds even, of all those attend. And we all in events need to make sure this is happening.